All right, we're back at the scene from Christmas night where they had a bursted pipe. This time, guy just hit the pipe, it ended up breaking. Now all the brass threads, I'm chasing them back from the second floor into the basement to get something good to connect to. And it's not working out. If I can get this nipple out of this T, then I can get the water back on to all the units. It's after 5, so what you see is what's in my van. So, didn't go as planned, actually ovaled the shit out of the T. Now I gotta try to save those threads right there. So we got the T cut off. We're gonna try to back that joint out. Only problem is this apartment has somebody living in it, so I gotta get this one back on. Now I gotta go see what's in the truck. All right, that's what I had in the truck. So I'm gonna turn the water back on to the building because it's ready. The only person who's not gonna get water is the 3rd floor. Water's back on to the entire building. So now the next thing is, this is the 3rd floor. I gotta save those threads so I can hook back up to that. Homeboy on the 3rd floor's got water now for the night. What's that weird guy do on TikTok?